Hello everyone, welcome back to Thrishanishk Handmade. Today I am going to show you quilted purse. Required materials are main fabric, lining, sponge with measurement 10 by 15 inch, and we want single piece of each. Zipper I have taken here is number 5 type and with measurement 11 inches. Please take the zipper measurement at least 1 inch more than the actual measurement. Now we need to attach the main fabric to the sponge on all four sides. Please note that instead of sponge we can take felt or cloth fusing. If you are taking cloth fusing, you can fuse it with the help of iron box. Usually we can get the sponge while purchasing the men's shirt. We can use the same sponge here. Here I have already stitched all the four sides of the fabric. Here I am marking the points at regular intervals with measurement of 2 inches horizontally and vertically. Once all the marking is done, I am going to join the points with the help of scale. Already I have joined all the points vertically and horizontally, and I am stitching the lines now. By doing this, we can get a neat finish for the quilted cloth. Now open the zipper and take one portion of it, place it on the quilted fabric and then place a lining fabric on it. Make sure that right side of lining fabric and right side of main fabric faces each other. Now we need to stitch the zipper so that the zipper is attached properly in between the main fabric and the lining fabric. Once zipper is attached, give a top stitch. Top stitch will give a neat finish to the purse. Attach the other half of the zipper to another part of the purse and give a top stitch. Now insert the zipper runner to the zip. Make sure that runner is attached properly. We have almost done with the stitching of the purse. Now we need to stitch the open sides. Stitch the unstitched part, leaving a small gap. This gap will allow us to turn the cloth right side out. Our lovely polka dotted fabric is visible outside. Pull the lining cloth outside. Here we have the unstitched gap. Stitch the gap which we left earlier. Insert the lining neatly inside. And here we go. Our beautiful lovely purse is ready for the use. This is a multi-purpose purse and we can use it everywhere. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and share with your friends and give a comment. Thank you.